Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in the previous tutorial we have completed the first four parts, which is the cart item layout and the activity cart, and we have completed the model class for it, and we have completed the cart view holder. So in this tutorial what we are going to do is we are gonna work on the main activity. Yeah, let us do it right now. Create an on start method, and this should be at the final database reference. It is not database reference cart list reference equal to, it is Firebase database dot get details get instance dot get reference dot child. We need to pass the child and make sure the spelling is correct, so it should match with this spelling cart list. If it is capital it should be capital, if it is small it should be small. And now after this what we want to do is we need to create the Firebase recycler options and adapter also. Firebase recycler options of cart class. Yeah, we need to cart, add the cart to this activity, and now it is named as options. And now new Firebase recycler options dot builder, and we need to pass the cart here, and we need to set a query, and the query is so long. It is cart list reference, and after the cart list reference we need a child. The cart list reference will display in the cart list, which is this one, and then we have the child of, user view, user view, and now then we have the child of, it is the phone number of the user, which is this one. So we can get it by using prevalent class prevalent.current_online_user.getPhone, and we have one more child, what it is products. Yeah, we have the products here, p is caps. And now after that we can pass the cart dot class, and we can just build it. Yeah, now it's okay, now it's perfect. Now after this recycler options we need to pass the adapter. It is here we need to pass two arguments, which is the first one is the model class, and the second one is which extends the view holder, which is cart view holder, and it is called as adapter. And now after this adapter we can new just build it. Yeah, everything is fine, and here we need to pass the argument as Firebase options. Make sure to put the semicolon here, and here in on create method on create view holder what we need to do is we need to view alt plus enter, just enter it, and we need to layout inflator dot from, it is from the parent dot get context comma, we need to inflate, it is from, we need to inflate our dot layout dot cart item layout. And what else do we need to do is, and what we need to do is parent, and it is false. Yeah, now it's done. Let us just do it. Cart view holder, we can name it as folder equal to new cart view folder of view, which is that view, and we need to whites. Yeah, we need to give the equal sign. We have forget this. Yeah, now it's okay. Now we need to return the holder, and now it's done. After this, in our on-bind view holder, what we need to do is cart view holder dot. It's not this one. And what do we have this? Yeah, it is that one only. Cart view holder dot text product cart name dot set text, and our text is cart dot get name, and we need to copy it for 5 more times because we have 5 things right here, so we need to pass it 5 times where it is. It's here. Copy it and paste it. It's not this one. Copy it, paste it for 5 times, and now text card duration, and it's text card usage, text card quantity, text card price, and now here we have to get, we need to get the duration. Where it is the duration? Oh, I think that is not, oh yeah, here it is, duration. We need to get the usage, we need to get the quantity, yeah, quantity, and then we need to get the price of it. Yeah, everything is set fine, and this is our fifth step, and yeah, we need to do the last step, which is Recyclerview dot set adapter, and make it listening, and then what we want to do is, so in home activity, come to home activity, and keep in mind guys, these are the 5 steps we need to do for displaying the anything from Firebase to our user. So 5 steps, this one, and recycle view is 2, and this both are 3, and model class, and we need a cart view holder. So wait a minute. So now in home activity, come down. So here in navigation cart, whenever the user clicks on the cart, intent I equal to new intent of, it is home activity dot this to, we need to send to cart activity dot class. It is not calls, it is class. So we need to start activity of I, and now it's done, and we need to do one more thing. I have forget it, and we need to do 2 more things. We can go to home, and we need to set for the same for this floating action button also. So come here in the home activity and come down, and private floating action button equal to floating action button. We have only one floating action button, so it's no problem. So here we have lots of spaces, and we can set it right here. Floating action button dot equal to find view by id r dot id dot, it's not od, it's id, r dot id dot fab. I think we have done it 2 times, so it's giving us, yeah, it's now successfully implemented, and now we need to set the on click listener for this button, and it should be the same, so we can just copy it and you can paste it right here. It should send us to cart activity, and it's showing us some error. I think, yeah, it's semicolon. We have forget the semicolon, and right now it's over. So I would like to do some few suggestions right here. That is, in the home activity, we are just displaying the. Let me show you. We are just getting the name in kg and everything. So what we want to do is, and now we can have the name here, name. And I think the user can't understand what it is. The name can be understand because it's at the top, and the weight, and the weight is needed to be understood, and the usage, it is usage also can be understood because it's set as used or new, and the duration also understood, and the price also understood, and description also understood. Yeah, everything is fine because, yeah, now everything is fine. And what else do we need to do? That's it. So that's it, guys, for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, let me show the live demonstration of that cart activity. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.